Here we are pulling up to Michael's in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. Here's one of their rows of yarn. Here's another row of yarn, row number 2 and row number 3. They have some at the end there too. Row number 4. Here's some of the carrot cakes for $5. Here's some macrame colors yarns, $6.99 on clearance. And these are the painterly and the cotton latte, I believe. Yes, for $7.99. I got them for $7.50 before. Latte cakes for $5. Chunky cakes $5. They had skinny cakes as well. Don't forget to look up in the boxes above the racks. And below the racks in those trays. And make sure you scan items because you never know what's marked down. There's not always a sign. So there we go. Skinny cakes. I found a couple. That's all I found. And these were loops and threads. I'm not sure what kind those are. They're $3. Regular $7.99. Remember, these are Canadian prices. I turned labels so we could see them, but I can't even read them right now. I'm on my phone, that's why. I'm doing a voiceover. These are Craft Smart, $2. That purple, green, black, white, that is not on sale. And these are those S Creek, I'm not going to say the word, $6.99 on clearance. And this is the curbside pickup, right by the door. Help yourself, it says. That's crazy. Somebody could just grab one and run right out that door and you're right there. It's ridiculous.